morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen pair has gained 0.2% in the last session. The RSI has heated up and is now giving a positive signal. Bitcoin has gained 11% in the last session. The stochastic RSI has shifted sharply into the oversold zone. The price of gold has stood still in the last session. The highs-lows indicator shifted sharply into the positive zone. The price of crude oil has fallen 1.6% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator has shifted sharply into the positive zone.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Oil fell about 0.5% as the world's major oil producers discussed extending deep output cuts at talks this week. Contracts to buy previously owned U.S. homes fell for a second straight month in October as an acute shortage of properties pushed up prices. Digital currency markets are on a tear this week as a myriad of crypto assets have seen enormous gains during the last 2 days, with Bitcoin hitting a new record high.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The Japanese manufacturing PMI will be released at 0:30 GMT, the Australian current account at 0:30 GMT, the Australian RBA interest rate decision at 3:30 GMT, the Australian commodity prices at 5:30 GMT, the Swiss GDP at 6:45 GMT, and the German retail sales at 700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.